tele-infra management. This helped us to, one of the things which helped us to get into 1,000 crore plus business. So if you see, we have been continuously reinventing. We started with engines, DG sets, own manufacturing, end-to-end solutions, DG as a consumer durable, and tele-infra management. Now we are planning to home UPS, as you said, we already started. We have started alternator last month. Solar and wind, we will be doing maybe this month or next month we will be starting. Mahindra started a new company called Mahindra Solar. Mahindra Solar and Powerol will be working together to get into solar-based power generation applications. So we are going to do for telecom companies within 1 or 2 months, and slowly we will extend that to even home UPS. We are talking how we will make solar-powered inverters, which we should be able to do something this financial year itself, at least the protos. So these are some of the things what we want to continue our reinvention journey. So as Sachin said, okay, we are doing reinvention continuously, but what is next? So that's what we got the directive, I can say, from Ms. Anand Mahindra, that we have to think 10x. So what is 10x? How can we have some breakthrough ideas by which we can target 10x growth? 10x is not numbers only. So I thought I will just explain to you what are some of the good examples of 10x, what people have thought about 10x in other companies. Since 15, 20 years back, Sony was undisputable leader in consumer electronics. Today, Sony may not be in that position. There is a brand index world over, the which most admired brands of the world. Sony was, I think, about 15th rank in that. Brands like Coca-Cola, all these brands are the index of the 100. Sony was about 15th brand in the most admired brand at that time. And Samsung was 132 rank brand at that time. But today, Samsung decided, that was a 10x goal, they will be a better brand than Sony. And today, Samsung is 15th or 16th and Sony is 27th or 37th rank. It has fallen below, much below Samsung. But Samsung just not only they had that dream of 10x, they took a lot of actions. When they decided that year, they employed 2,000 R&D engineers. Today, if you see any new product coming in consumer electronics comes from Samsung, not from Sony. Whether it is LED TV, whether it is 3D, or whatever you talk, the way you see every day Samsung in papers, Sony is not so much seen. But they took this 10x goal, not only they took the 10x goal, they did a lot of things to get into 10x goal. But for them, the 10x goal, how they did, by product innovation, by employing people in a big way for